How to renew Canadian passport in India. In this video, I'll show you how to renew your Canadian passport in India.
So to get started, start by visiting the official website of High Commission of Canada in India. Download the passport renewal form and fill it out with accurate details. Or you may also visit the canada.ca immigration refugee citizenship services Canadian passports abroad renew a bureau.html. On this page, click on Outside Canada and the USA and then click on this Forms, Instructions, and Fees. Gather your required documents, including your current Canadian passport, proof of Canadian citizenship, a passport sized photo, and a valid address in India. Once you have all your documents, you can submit your application either by mail or in person at the Canadian High Commission. You will also need to pay the applicable fee for renewal. Make sure to check for any specific instructions on the High Commission website regarding document submissions and fees. Processing times may vary, so ensure you submit your application well in advance of any planned travel. You may also see here who can renew their passport, the qualifications, of the passports that can be renewed, one of which is only adult passports can be renewed. And that is how you renew your Canadian passport in India.